How to fix WhatsApp business. This message may take a while on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp business. This message may take a while on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find your apps, and now apps again, and then click WhatsApp business, and then click storage, and then click this one. If you found it like that, just click on it, enable it, and then go to power usage details, and then go to launch settings, disable automatic manage automatically, disable it, and then enable run in background, and then click for stop and clear cache. Now just open WhatsApp business and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.